Cooking verbs. English for young learners. Preparation actions. Chop. I chop the carrots into small pieces. Dice. I dice the onions into tiny cubes. Peel. I peel the apples before making a pie. Slice. I slice the bread evenly for sandwiches. Cut. I cut the bread into slices. Grate. I grate the cheese to sprinkle on top of the pasta. Mince. I mince the meat into ground beef. Break. I break an egg into a bowl. Sift. I sift the flour to remove any lumps. Mixing and combining actions. Mix. I mix the flour and water to make dough. Stir. I stir the soup with a spoon. Blend. I blend the fruits to make a smoothie. Whisk. I whisk the eggs to make them fluffy for an omelette. Whip, or beat, or whisk. I whip the cream until it is fluffy. Add. I add sugar to the mixture. Pour. I pour some water into the pot. Spread. I spread butter on the toast. Layer. I layer the lasagna with noodles, sauce, and cheese. Cooking and heating actions. Bake. I bake cookies in the oven until they are golden. Fry. I fry the eggs in a pan. Grill. I grill the chicken on the barbecue. Roast. I roast the chicken in the oven until it's tender. Barbecue. I barbecue the ribs outside on the grill. Melt. I melt the butter in a pan. Steam. I steam the broccoli to keep it fresh and green. Saute. I saute the vegetables in a little oil. Simmer. I simmer the stew on low heat to enhance the flavors. Boil. I boil the potatoes in a saucepan. Dough and batter actions. Knead. I knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Roll out. I roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Finishing actions. Season. I season the salad with salt and pepper. Marinate. I marinate the meat in sauce for extra flavor. Mash. I mash the potatoes until they are smooth and creamy. Carve. I carve the meat into slices for serving. Dip. I dip the bread into the soup. Taste. I taste the sauce to see if it needs more salt. Serve. I serve the food on plates. Squeeze. I squeeze a lemon over the fish for extra flavor. I love cooking, and my friends find my meals delicious and often ask how I cook them. And what about you? Do you enjoy cooking? Go on, share the recipe of your best dish with a friend you love. Remember, knowledge grows when it's shared. That's all from me for now. For more fun content, see you in the next videos.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to join the Junior English family and like the videos. Let's be a big family together. See you in the next video. Bye.
Junior English presented